Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Denver in United States bracing for large hail damaging winds. The Fox Forecast Center is continuing to track the risk of the severe weather across the United States on Wednesday, with the thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and damaging winds across the eastern Rockies and western plains. Denver is the largest city in Wednesday's threat zone, which runs from the United States-Canada border southward to the border of United States and Mexico. The Fox Forecast Center believes that the greatest risk from the severe storms will stretch from the southeastern Montana through the eastern Wyoming and Colorado and may reach northern Texas panhandle. Despite the threat of the storms, there are no major outbreaks in the forecast despite it being May, which is normally the most active month of the year for the severe weather. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also expected on Thursday afternoon and evening across the central plains. The forecast center said the main threats for those storms will be large hail and damaging winds. However, the few tornadoes cannot be ruled out. A woman was killed when the tree fell on top of her vehicle while she was driving in the Harris County, Texas on Monday night. The woman was not identified, but the investigators said she was driving alone. Strong storms blew through the region Monday night, and there were several reports of the trees being brought down in the severe weather. A storm was seen in the Carroll County, Indiana around 6 p.m. EDT on Monday. Paul Horn said his wife Becky spotted the tornado on her way home from the Florida to Lafayette. The National Weather Service plans released more information on the twister on Tuesday. Severe thunderstorms tore across the Midwest and mid-Mississippi Valley as well as Texas on Sunday evening. Lightning forced organizers of the Taylor Swift's The Eras Tour to issue a shelter-in-place order as the storm passed over the Nissan Stadium in the Nashville, Tennessee. And in Iowa, baseball to softball-sized hail fell, and the wind gusts upward of 80 miles per hour were reported in the community of the Greenville. Storm chasers showed the large hail slamming onto the pavement and grass before the destructive winds blew through the region. Photos show homes severely damaged by the hail and farm equipment thrown across the local roads when the powerful winds blew through. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.